In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get same-day delivery on Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. To make sure you get your items as quickly as possible, you'll want to follow a few simple steps in your Amazon account. First, open your Amazon app or website and log in if you aren't already. You'll want to start by selecting the product you wish to purchase. You can either search for the item directly or find it in your cart if you've already added it there. It's as simple as clicking on the product image or name to go to its detail page. Once you're on the product page, look for the option labeled Buy Now. Clicking this will prompt you to choose your payment method, so have your preferred payment details ready. You will then see an option where you need to select Use this payment method. Now, here comes an important part. For your order to be eligible for same-day delivery, you'll need to fulfill a couple of conditions. Firstly, your delivery address must be within a supported metropolitan area. So, make sure to check if your location qualifies for this rapid service. Next, look closely at the item page or checkout area. You should see a feature that indicates whether the item is same-day eligible. If it is, you'll often get a prompt to choose the same-day delivery option once you've completed your payment details. Now, it's important to note that same-day delivery usually comes with an extra charge. When you select this delivery option, Amazon will inform you of the extra cost before you finalize the order. If you want to proceed, simply select the same-day delivery option and confirm your order. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure that you receive your order on the same day. The convenience of same-day delivery is a game changer, especially when you need something quickly. As a quick recap, go to the product page of the item you want, click on Buy Now, select your payment method, make sure your delivery address qualifies for same-day delivery, check if the item is eligible, and then choose the same-day delivery option while keeping an eye on any additional charges. If you have any questions about the process or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video helps you streamline your shopping experience on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy shopping!